जिद है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, हमें भी जिद है वहीं आशियां बनाने की। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है आयशा गनी and today I welcome you all to the grand launch of CEV Stage 4 by Liugong India. Today we will be bringing you closer to the future of the construction equipment industry. I am so proud to be standing on the stage of Liugong India, which runs its legacy of 19 years, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, 19 years of trust and togetherness, 19 सालों का साथ, 19 सालों का विश्वास, 19 years of trust and togetherness, 19 years of dedication and passion, 19 years of excellence. And it wouldn't have been possible without the contribution of our amazing and valuable customers, partners, our family of Liugong. Thank you so much for instilling that amazing trust in us. We value that a lot. It is because of you that we are the top 15 construction equipment manufacturers in the world. It is because of you that we are the leaders in the wheel loaders and motor graders segment in the country. It is because of your trust that we cater to 175 plus countries, having dealers in over 100 plus countries. Over 300 dealers join us globally. One of the key features of Liugong India is that we have always been very committed to the ideology of Make in India, the Atmanirbhar Bharat, way before this even concept came into existence. I'm also delighted to tell you that India is one of the global manufacturing hub of Liugong, which not only serves to the Indian market, but also simultaneously exports to other developing countries. Thank you to the entire family of Liugong for being a part of our glorious journey. Now is the time for us, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce the leaders of our organization, जिनकी वजह से आप मुमकिन हो पाए हैं, जिनकी वजह से हम मुमकिन हो पाए हैं, जिनकी वजह से we have been able to garner such success worldwide. Put your hands together for a virtual round of applause as I welcome on stage our President Liugong India, Mr. A. Krishna Kumar, for the official address.
A warm welcome to our Managing Director, Mr. Song, our distinguished customers who have come over here, our dealer fraternity who have come over here, our entire team of Liugong, both from head office, sales and marketing and the plant, and all our other stakeholders. A real warm welcome to this very august event, the launch of our BS4 range of equipment. As you all know, global warming is the talk of the day today, internationally. And climate control is the most sought after subject by all the countries world over. And in this perspective, the various leaders have set targets for themselves to reduce the impact of global warming. On one side, maybe they are looking at afforestation, conservation of forests, rejuvenation of rivers, and even increasing the water bodies. And on the other side, in the automobile sector, they are keenly looking at pollution control. The launch of the BS4 equipment is in line with the governmental regulations to bring down the pollution of all our equipment. And I'm really proud that Liugong has met the deadline set by the government, and today we are able to launch a series of wheeled equipments with the BS4 engines. Liugong has a big history of over 15 years in India. They are looking into the co-creation of value with the customers, an absolute customer-centric organization, moving towards becoming a customer-driven organization. The vision basically is to be the world-class player in construction equipment industry, and the mission is to provide the world-class equipments to all our customers and also excellence in support. In this perspective, I must tell you that Liugong, while they were doing the necessary modification for incorporating the BS4 engines in our wheeled equipments, they have also ensured that they add many more value features so that ultimately the customer gets the holistic benefit of very high value and his profitability will improve. This has been Liugong's earnest requirement all the time, and this time also Liugong has ensured that they will give to customers everything that they really deserve. As you all know, the construction equipment industry in India has been witnessing a surge in growth. People peg it at a CAGR of anywhere between 10 to 15%, maybe excavators around 14% and the wheel loaders around 10%. And for us too, we have a very ambitious roadmap of completing 5,000 equipments by 2025, which means while on one side we attack the excavator market, which is a greenfield operation for us, we have to sustain and grow our market share in wheeled equipments, especially the front-end loaders, where we are already the market leaders. In accordance with that plan, Liugong has manufactured and rolled out in time the BS4 equipment with value addition so that our field team can go all out aggressively in the market, promote the values and promote our BS4 equipments. I'm sure that the customers will be delighted to know this, that Liugong is here to stay for a long time and are very keen to associate and partner with our stakeholders, basically the customers. Thanking you. It's a great pleasure that you all are here to witness this launch. It's unfortunate I couldn't be here, but I'm very much with you all, and hopefully I'll be available during the launch program through a link. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. A. Krishna Kumar. Your words surely completed the moment for us. It is leaders like you who inspires and motivate us every step of the way. Thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, the moment is right here. It's time for us to unveil the new powerhouse of the industry. It's time for us to launch the CEV Stage 4 of wheeled equipments by Liugong India. And to do the honors, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to invite on stage our Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Liugong India, Mr. Nischal Mehrotra. Give it up.
Good morning all to this mega launch of the Liugong India. I am Nischal Mehrotra, Vice President, Sales and Marketing. Let me give the brief insight on the today's event. We are excited to launch a new Stage 4 range of wheeled equipments. As per the Government of India, mandate construction equipment sector will have to comply with the new CEV Stage 4 norms for all construction equipment and wheeled vehicles. This is a welcome move. It is indeed a radical change. This change is a gateway to cleaner air, greener environment and smarter technology. It will bring in a great sustainable environment benefits. The solution comes with the engine that have many electronic upgrades through which machines could offer the extensive communication interface. The new CEV Stage 4 engines comes with the advanced ETS system, offers excellent emission standards that has lower NOx emission as well as 90% lower particulate matters in the exhaust. Effectively, the air quality will improve, that so everyone can breathe fresh and easy. Along with the sustainable future, we have also ensured that the new CEV Stage 4 products create more value for our customers through increased productivity, enhanced committed reliability with the comfort and the maximum uptime. So today we would be launching our Max series of wheel loaders, motor graders, soil compactor, our entire new range of machines made in India with localized technology. We truly believe to support our Prime Minister vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Sashakt Bharat. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you again to this mega event. Thank you.
Introducing our new range of wheel loaders. 856H Max wheel loader, 5.5 ton payload capacity, segment leader, heavyweight champion. H wheel loader, 4.5 ton payload capacity and engineering marvel. 838H Max wheel loader, 3.85 ton of payload capacity, a class of its own. N wheel loader, 3.6 payload capacity, empowering your bottom line. N wheel loader, 1.8 ton payload capacity, crafted for all your loading requirements. The Compactor Series 611, 11 ton soil compactor, more compaction per pass. E 10 ton tandem roller, double drum compacting power. And finally is the motor grader 4180D 15 ton class, enabling you to achieve all your road goals efficiently. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much Mr. Nishchal Mehrotra for launching these robust machines which are designed to perfection. And now is the time, ladies and gentlemen, for me to invite our lead product marketing and in charge plant operations, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, to help us understand what makes these machines truly extraordinary.
Namaste. Once again, thank you and welcome you all in this event. My name is Sandeep. Now I'm going to take you through the details of our newly launched most competitive value creating product solutions. Our products, or should I say your products, because they are built on the foundation of customers' insight. No product is perfect until it goes to the market and gets customers' feedback. But with last almost 20 years of experience serving India and Indian customers, we have learned and improved a lot. And hence, in CEV stage 4, we are taking the game to the next level. We have updated our engines to match the stringent environment-friendly emission norms of CEV stage 4, but that is not the all. We have focused on enhancing products' value proposition with increased productivity and lowered total cost of ownership. But how we have done it? Through the customer-centric approach, co-creating value with the customer based on their practical insight and our engineering expertise. By choosing the best technology, it's not just about the advanced technologies, but it is about the matching between different technologies and how they effectively and efficiently serve customers' need of today and tomorrow. We have focused on doing what we do best and partnering with the best of best in the world for the rest to develop the solution with experience and expertise. Sweat hard and bleed less. Long and tough field validation in every corner of India in all wide range of applications. Using our core principle, all our products are engineered to deliver high productivity, high fuel efficiency, reliability and durability with commitment, comfort that boosts the productivity, and serviceability and maintainability for the maximum uptime. So talking about our products, let us start with the wheel loaders. A largest in segment product range, Liugong is the only player who is really focusing on all customers and application segments and provides best suitable products according to application and business needs. So let us first talk about 856H Max. Industry leader, 5.5 ton payload capacity, powered by a 220 horsepower engine and equipped with the 3.5 cubic meter general purpose crusher aggregate bucket and up to 5.5 cubic meter coal bucket. 856H Max delivers 60% more productivity. It is 10% more fuel efficient with increased reliability commitment and comfort to boost productivity and serviceability and maintainability for maximum uptime. 16% more productive. How? Increased payload powered by a massive 9.4 liter 6-cylinder HPC RDI turbocharged intercooled Yuchai engine, which is designed, developed and produced specially for Liugong wheel loaders. 16% larger crusher aggregate handling bucket and 10% larger coal bucket. Increased hydraulic system capacity, more flow, more pressure and increased cylinder sizes. Liugong's own powertrain delivers maximum traction force, making heap penetration and loading much easier. So these elements coming together make this machine 16% more productive, 10% more fuel efficient. How? Low speed, constant high torque engine with intelligent power control system enables operators to load more even in lower RPM ranges, thereby reducing the fuel consumption. Best match between engine and powertrain ensure power transmission in most efficient manner. Easy fill, high fill factor H series buckets designed to load with minimum hydraulic efforts, saving hydraulic energy, thereby saving the fuel. These few amongst many elements makes this machine 10% more fuel efficient. Increased reliability commitment. We are not just talking, but we are giving commitment of reliability. How? Designed with true customer's insight, promises everything that you need and nothing that you don't. Designed for Liugong with Liugong's experience and inputs. Hence Liugong takes the complete ownership of engine and powertrain, irrespective of make and models of these components. CAE and FEA approved rugged structure made in-house with best Indian steel grades ensures everlasting durability in all kind of extreme working condition. Comfort that boosts the productivity. An operator's choice state-of-art H-series cabin where operator makes every hour a more productive hour with minimum fatigue. All-weather AC cabin enhances the operator's working efficiency in all weathers and all regions across India. Single pilot lever joystick for easy effortless operation. Maximum uptime. Proactive after sales powered by Liugong's advanced telematics system iLink for products health and utilization monitoring. Service and maintenance made easy with maximum ground level accessibility and full access to engine and cooling system. Wide customer serving network with highly trained capable engineers who provides professional solution and keeps machine running at its best. So all these 5 points, productivity, efficiency, reliability, comfort and maximum uptime, they come together to ensure a bottom line. With all this said and done, bottom line is that 856H Max has been re-engineered to increase your productivity and reduce your total cost of ownership. So let us talk about 848H, 4.5 ton payload capacity powered by a 220 horsepower engine equipped with 2.8 cubic meter general purpose aggregate bucket and 4.3 cubic meter coal bucket. 16% more productive, 10% more fuel efficient with increased reliability commitment, comfort that boosts the efficiency and maximum uptime. Now coming to 838H Max, a class of its own with the industry leading payload of 3.85 ton, industry leading power of 160 horsepower and industry leading bucket sizes of 2.4 cubic meter in general purpose crusher aggregate and 3.5 cubic meter in the coal. 838H promises 20% more productivity, 14% more fuel efficient, with increased reliability commitment, comfort to boost the productivity, and maximum uptime. 20% more productivity. How? 838H Max, redefining performance, 20% more productive, a class of its own, which is redefining the performance with highest in class payload, highest in class power and torque, and largest in class buckets, powered by a mighty 6-cylinder turbocharged intercooled engine with HPC RDI from Ashoka Leyland. Liugong's own powertrain produces high traction force and makes penetration in heaps and loading easier. High dump clearance and reach for easy center filling, even for extended body trucks. All these features coming together makes this machine 20% more productive. 14% more fuel efficient. How? Doing more with the same or little increased fuel consumption per hour. Powered by a low speed, constant high torque engine designed precisely for Liugong's wheel loaders with fuel efficiency in mind. Liugong's in-house powertrain components ensures most efficient power transmission from engine to wheels. Torque converter with twin turbine technology for maximum traction with high fuel efficiency. Own hydraulic components fine-tuned for faster response and efficient energy management. Easy fill, high fill factor buckets, penetrates easily in material heaps, saving hydraulic energy and fuel. Liugong's iLink telematics provides fuel saving insight based on work pattern. So these features coming together make this machine more fuel efficient. Reliability, not in talks but with commitment. C special engine for continuous long operating hours in dynamic duty cycles. 3-stage fuel filtration and 3-stage air filtration keeps engine healthy and safe. Optimum cooling system to prevent overheating of component even in extreme hot weathers and long operating hours. Liugong's heavy duty powertrain enhanced over time with voice of customer and true wheel loader experience. FEA and CAE approved heavy duty robust structures made in-house with best Indian steel grades. Time tested durable hydraulic components from Liugong. Extended counterweight for collision protection of engine hood and the coolers. Heavy duty buckets with wear resistance special grade material. So these elements coming together makes this machine more reliable. Comfort boosts productivity. Wide spacious air conditioned cabin. Easy and safe accessibility to the cabin in and out. All round visibility. Precise and responsive single pilot lever joystick and smooth responsive foot pedals. All this makes operator's job much easier and every hour spent in cabin more productive. Maximizing uptime. The machine is durable by design for uncompromised long operating hours. Proactive monitoring empowered by Liugong's smart iLink telematics. Maintenance made easier with increased service accessibility. And here to serve you, Make in India with Byte after sales network. So all these features coming together make this machine a class of its own, which will provide the best value proposition, higher productivity and lowered total cost of ownership, increasing your bottom line. 836N empowering your bottom line with a 3.65 ton payload capacity, powered by a 160 horsepower 6-cylinder engine, equipped with the 2.2 cubic meter general purpose crusher aggregate buckets and 3.2 cubic meter coal bucket. 836N is no less than any machine, no less than any competitor's machine. 10% more productive and 6% more fuel efficient with increased reliability commitment, comfort to boost the productivity, and maximized uptime. So now let us talk about 818N. Crafted for all your loading needs, it has everything that you need and nothing that you don't. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, 4x4 all-wheel drive, having high dump height, and a versatile machine best suited for all batching plants, medium and small crushers, and agriculture industry. This is the equipment which can be used easily to replace backhoe loader where customer really don't need the hoe, where he really don't need to use the hoe attachment of backhoe, because 818N, as I said, without hoe and all 4-wheel drive with high dump height makes 818 more simpler, faster and better for all your loading needs in the batching plants and medium and small crusher plants. Now let us talk about our road construction solutions. Roads are economy drivers of country, and India is doing road construction at a record pace. Committed to serve nation's growth, Liugong Road Solution enable road contractors to build high quality roads faster. So first in line is our 15-ton motor grader 4180D, 15-ton motor grader powered by a 6-cylinder 180 horsepower Ashoka Leland engine. Heavy weight, high power and torque and wider tires, produces high traction force and makes machine most productive. Precise engine and powertrain matching aligned with intelligent power controlled and HPC RDI ensures best in class fuel efficiency. Designed in India, developed in India, being manufactured in India with Indian customers in sight makes this machine most reliable. Wide and spacious cabin with all-weather AC system having controls placed ergonomically with high visibility makes this machine highly comfortable and boosts the productivity of operator. Segment leading maintainability and quick response times ensures the maximum uptime. 11-ton soil compactor 611 powered by a 4-cylinder 110 horsepower engine from Kirloskar and equipped with world-class hydraulic system. 611 ensures maximum compaction in every pass. Next in line is 6210E tandem roller, making our compaction solution more wider and complete. 6210E is a 10-ton tandem roller powered by a 4-cylinder 74.5 horsepower engine from Kirloskar, and it is equipped with world-class hydraulic system. Thank you so much for listening to me and showing the patience. What we just discussed are not just a product, but they are the solution. Solutions to serve your business growth. What we discussed today is just tip of the iceberg. This is not all. So our teams in the front line will have more interaction with you, will have more discussion with you to share more about the products, and we expect your feedbacks on our products. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. That was really informative. Now, revolutionary products like these surely deserves the best of the after-sales services, isn't it? And to do that and to throw some light on this, I'd like to invite on stage Head Customer Serving Department, Mr. Prashant Srivastava.
Good morning all and welcome to the launch event. I am Prashant Srivastava, General Manager After Sales at Liugong India. In CEV Stage 4, we are moving from conventional after sales where customer used to reach, chase, manufacture to other way around, where we will reach customer positively and proactively with the help of Liugong's iLink Advanced Product Health and Performance Monitoring System. Response time and speed are key to after sales. We at Liugong ensure quick responses to our customers' needs, and this is purely because of trained and committed after sales teams which works 24/7 and 365 days, wide network, regional workshops, and being a single point contact for whole products after sales. At Liugong, we believe in customer serving rather than customer support, and we are committed to enhance customers' experience through after sales excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Prashant Srivastava. We expected nothing but the very best from the extraordinary company like Liugong India. And now, like all good things come to an end, we have also neared the end of this wonderful session with Liugong India. I thank all our partners, all our customers, the entire family of Liugong India for being a part of this glorious, victorious journey. Thank you so much. My name is Aisha Ghani and I'm signing out for today. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. And now before we move on, I'd like to invite on stage for the official vote of thanks our Vice President Sales and Marketing, Mr. Nischal Mehrotra.
On behalf of Liugong India, we would like to thank all of our customers, business partners and financiers and fellow colleagues for the support extended over the last 19 years in making Liugong a preferred brand in the infrastructure sector. Thanks for your continuous trust on our brand. We look forward for your similar support in making our new Max Series wheeled equipment a grand success in coming years. Thanks again. This is Nischal Mehrotra signing off of the day. Namaskar.